In this video, I'll show you how to make a free flyer or poster in Canva so you can create something professional without spending any money. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Log into your account or sign up for free if you're new. Once you're inside your Canva dashboard, click the Create a Design button at the top. In the search bar, type poster or flyer and select the size you need. Canva will automatically open a blank canvas in the correct dimensions, so you don't have to worry about sizing. Now look to the left side where you'll see a huge library of templates. To make sure your design stays completely free, choose a template that doesn't have a crown icon on it. Templates without the crown are free to use. Click on any template you like and it will load onto your canvas instantly. From here, you can customize everything. Click on the text to change the headline, event details, or contact information. You can adjust the font, size, and colors from the top toolbar. If you want to change images, click on the existing photo and press delete, then go to the Elements or Photos tab and search for free graphics or images. Make sure they don't have the crown icon so you don't accidentally use pro content. You can also move elements around by dragging them, resize them using the corner handles, and adjust spacing until everything looks clean and balanced. Canva auto-saves your work, so feel free to experiment. Once you're happy with your design, click Share in the top right, then click Download. Choose PNG for digital use or PDF print if you're printing your flyer. And that's it. That's how you make a free flyer or poster in Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple design tutorials.